Hi, Lee Clements here for NCIS Reports from the Field. Just wanted to reach out to everyone out there who is a fan of the agency and the people who work there to pass on prayers for a former supervisor of mine who's been dealing with the horrible implications of Alzheimer's. And he was my ASAC, Assistant Special Agent in Charge at the NCIS field office in Washington, D.C. back in the 90s. Great boss. I wasn't sure he was going to be a great boss. I got to tell you, I thought at first that he was going to be a really hard guy to work for, but I took on the challenge and I was a better agent for it. Ron Olive is one of my favorite supervisors I ever worked for. He was very demanding, but it came from experience of somebody who had done it all, from being a Bronze Star winner, awarded the Bronze Star during the Vietnam War as a Marine Raider, to his time at St. Louis Police Department, and finally with NCIS, where he retired. And Ron was my ASAC at the Washington field office. We worked some great narcotics cases while under his tutelage, and he was just a fantastic guy to work for. Very demanding, but a great guy to work for. So I want all the agents out there who watch the podcast or view the podcast on YouTube or Spotify to please keep Ron in your prayers. He is in hospice now, and I hope that he and his family are at peace at this time. So, prayers for Ron Olive. Thanks.